Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today we are starting at the bar, but we're gonna concentrate on specific exercises. We're gonna concentrate on the warm-up, on the plies, and on the tendus, which are our base. This is where we start, this is our base. So I really want you to concentrate on what your body is doing in this specific movements. This is a little snippet of what we do every single month in our live classes. Where do we find these live classes? In our membership, the Lazy Dancer Studio. Yes, we know when we start, but we never know when to finish. So pretty much I spend about 3 hours every single month with Q&As, doing full classes, depending on how we feel, what the members are asking. We go from beginners, intermediate, advanced, we do contemporary ballet classes, we do choreography, and we are all in the same room, virtual room together. And if you want to become a member and be part of this amazing community in the Lazy Dancer Studio, I'm gonna link it down here below in the box below and up here in the card, so you can come and check it out, and I can't wait to see you there. But if you're ready to work on the very basics and these 3 most important exercises that we do at the bar, let's get started. So we are going to start in front of our bar with feet in first. Yes, we are going to have a few things to do, so you have to think about it, and then after that I'll guide you. Yes, so we're gonna go foot in front, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, good plie in the middle without forcing, 5 without moving the hips, 6, 7, plie in the middle, we go 1, plie in the middle, side, plie in the middle, back, plie in the middle, back, plie in the middle. We start with the back and transfer and up and plie and back and transfer and up and plie. We go side, plie, we go side, plie, we go front, plie and front, plie. From here, pick up the arm around. We come back in the middle with a good plie in the middle. Coming back. We repeat up here and down. Coming back. We repeat it again because I know that your body needs it. Depending on which part of the world you are, here is still kind of coldish. Yes. And here, and then after this, I'll guide you. It's a long music, so we warm up and we'll stretch a little bit as well. Yes? Let's start, let's do it. I'll play the music. Ready to go. Feet in first, nice and tall. Orange under the chin. Go 1. And plie in the middle. Very good. And up. Use the articulation of the foot. Side, in the middle, side, and back. Start with foot at the back. And in the middle. Good. In the middle to the side. In the middle. In front. Pick up the arm from the plie. Go. And relax. Good. Other way. And again, bend your knees, juicy knees. Breathe. From here, ankle, transfer. Go. Breathe. Nice. With a plie. 5, 6, 7. Put it back. Stretch your right calf. Breathe. Good. Up and over. Come back. Other foot. And left. Good. Same arm as leg. Up and over. Engage the core. And again, stretch the calf. And breathe. Same arm as leg, up and over. Draw a rainbow. Open, come back. Last side. Push the hips forward, just do an extra stretch. Very good. Up and over. And nice. From here, pick up the leg and sit. And breathe. Good. Careful not sitting. Come back in. Good. Up and over the other side. Sustain both sides equally. Now you can feel the stretch. Very good. From there, grab the quad. Stretch. Nice and gentle. Knee together, knee together. Oh, yes. Very good. And down. Other foot. Stretch. Good. Careful you don't give me a dog pee. Very good. Breathe. Put it down. Shaky, shaky. Great. Yes, very good. So plies. We're going to start into, so we're starting first. We're going to go 7 and slightly wider. Good. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here. Yeah, I don't want to see any lambada. We're going to go to the bar, to the center, to the bar, to the center, grand plie, all the way, recover up here. So what we're doing is we're moving the upper body, yeah? So we're using our spine, yeah, around. Very good. What I don't want to see is this. No. We think about a corset, yeah, that arrives up to here, and we spiral up and over without moving anything at the bottom, and we spiral up and over, like someone is giving you a nice gentle massage, yes? Grand plie, coming back, recovering down. Look at the arms. 1, 2, up, down. 1, through, up, down. 1. Keep the space. Don't let this happen. 1, 1, 1. Second, to go down all the way into grand plie. If your knees are not quite there yet, don't go into grand plie. If you feel that it's not quite stable, go into a nice plie, stable, clean. Yes? Very good. Coming to 4th. And again, plie, stretch around, down, stretch around. 1, 1, 1. I'm gonna be nice. Very good. Finding your little balance. Coming down to 5th. 5th, we repeat through the feet twice. Through the feet twice. 1, 1, 1. Up and over. Grand plie all the way. Finishing up with a beautiful balance. Yes, and then we go to the other side. Second position. Through the feet. 1. Up and over. It's nice and soft. Heels onto the ground. Very good. And you go. Think of hugging someone that you love. Up and over. Recover to first. Down. Pick up a bunch of flowers. And down and again. Very good. Bunch of flowers from here. Bunch of flowers to the bar. Away. Up and over. Good. Bam bam. Very nice. 4th. 1. Gorgeous. And again. Up and over. Keep on breathing. And go. Up and over. And breathe. And we go up, up. Come back down. Through. Keep your heels where they are. Squeeze inside thighs. Squeeze the oranges down. Good. And breathe. Go. 1. 1. 1. Up and over. Heels down. Yes. Up, up, up. Let go of the bar. Trust yourself. Good. Corset, corset, corset. I see some of these. Corset. And up and over. Finish. Like a ballerina on stage. Finish, finish. No movement. Oh. Keep on breathing. I see a little bit of tension in the upper body. Go. Down. Breathe. Relax the shoulders. Yes. Down. Oh, now yes. And breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. Up and over. Very nice. Back to first and through. Pick up a bunch of flowers. Gorgeous. Down and again. Pick up a bunch of flowers away from you. Squeeze the inside thighs while upstairs. This is happening. Up and over. Very good. Heels down. Nice. 2, 4. Through. Up. And again. Through the feet. Squeeze the inside thighs. Good. Up and over. Go to the bar. Up and over. Let go of the bar. Trust yourself. Nice. Through the feet last time. 3rd or 5th position. Whatever you can handle. Good. Down. Through. and you go. And up. From your body, not from your shoulders. Up and over, last grand plie. Heels. Up, up. Corset, 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 corset. Very good. So from here, we're gonna go 7, 8. We're gonna go foot. So metatarsal. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So again, metatarsal, 2, push, push. 5, 6, 7, inside. From the back. 1, metatarsal, 1, 2, 3, 4, back, side, front. Yes? Again from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, inside leg. Around. 2, push down, 5, 6, 7, inside. Yes? So far so good. We go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and close. Yes? That's it. Ready? And you go, metatarsal. Spring. In. Inside leg. Back. Spring. In. Very good. Inside leg. Side. Spring. In. And metatarsal. In. And breathe. Okay, we're gonna go the other side. Ready? And go. Tarsal. Spring. In. Inside leg and tarsal. Spring. In. Inside leg. Tarsal. Spring. Tarsal. Spring. And again. And breathe. Very good. Nice. Super well done. I'm so proud of you. Remember that if you want the full experience, the full class, 3 hours or so class, you can come and join us at the Lazy Dancer Studio. I'm gonna link it down here below and up in the card for you and become a member. I can't wait to dance with you in the same virtual room. It's gonna be me right there in front of you giving you correction because I can see everything and I can see everyone. See you there.